Hello. Good morning, guys. How are you today? I am back. So, today you ask me what is this, guys? Guys, this is the universal rear disc braking system. This is the rear disc braking system, universal type. I mean, it fits to any car. It just straight goes to the rear car axle, fits bolt-on, plug and play. So included all the accessories, all the parts here. So as you can see, guys, this is really very enjoyable and fantastic unit, man. It is a universal type actually. So you can see the product, guys, all the components, all the accessories, all the parts in one place. Okay, so if you guys really want to interested drum to rear disc brakes, want to enjoy your rear disc brakes, this is really fantastic looks, man. And I strongly believe that the rear disc braking system must do the performance braking. Also looks very nice, looks very hot, man, looks very nice. So fantastic from outside. Once you drive on the road, it looks nice. Also the good performance braking system. Anyway, so what it has. Okay, now I can see here. You can see here. Oh, this is the hubs with the wheel spacer here on it. This is what? This is the brake cable, handbrake cable, e-brake cable or handbrake cable, whatever. And this is the disc. The disc actually, the reconditioned disc, I mean OEM disc actually, it is coated, rust free coated disc. And this is the hubs with the spacer. It has the backing plate to fit the caliper, and the rear caliper. Actually, man, this is not the normal caliper, you know. This is the rear caliper. It has a mechanism here, you know. The caliper, rear caliper must have this mechanism, you understand? So it's so important. It's very super duper important. This mechanism, every rear caliper have this type of mechanism. Okay, so and this is the original caliper, very super fantastic, super quality Japanese JDM caliper, comes with the car. Oh, this is the handbrake cable, also got here the wheel spacer. This is the hubs, this is the backing plate, and the caliper. Wow, it's great, man, super condition. See the pads. Wow, oh my god, this is really exclusive, man. I love it. The caliper is nice, super fresh. Wow, it's a quality caliper, man. Oh no. Okay. Okay, so this is the backing. This is the disc rotor, rear disc rotor, rear disc rotor for the rear side fitment. And this is the complete unit actually. So this is here is the full complete unit. But this is actually I made it. I just collect so many things in one place, like wheel spacer, hubs, and this one, wheel spacer, hubs, the rear caliper, the rear disc rotor, the e-cable, okay, parking brake cable, and this is the full unit as you can see in the video. Actually, I work with automotive product and I love to work customization modifications you need, customization you need, and DIY project, and so many things. I enjoy it actually, bro. So this is really I love to work with automotive product. That's why I'm here. But you guys can see the video here. The product is so nice. I love so. I don't know what you think about it. But it's a quality product, contain all the fantastic JDM Japanese genuine products included. So yeah, what do you think, guys? Please let me know, guys. And if you have any good idea about this customization or modification, you just comment me and comment, and yeah, that's my great pleasure, guys. If you like my video, if you enjoy my video, if you enjoy my product, it's my great pleasure. So really thankful to my viewers. Actually, I love to work with car modification, car customization, like braking system, turbo conversion, like ITV conversion, and so many exclusive and performance modification. I work on it. But this is the rear disc braking system. I collected everything. Oh my god, sometimes it's very easy, but sometimes it's very difficult, man. So many work to do, so many job to do, so many places, go here, go there, find this, find that one, find this one. Oh my god, after that you can enjoy only the whole product in one place, but there is a lot of job, man. So no problem, but car guys actually wants to do it. really I just believe that car guys wants to do everything, no matter there is any problem. Anyway, okay, so guys, thanks for today. I'm here, I'm leaving now, and I'll go back with my next video. And hope you enjoy the video, hope you enjoy the product, guys. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Enjoy full ride, have an enjoy performance braking system. Cheers, guys. Thank you so much, and we'll be back on with the next video. Take care, guys, and God bless you, guys. Thanks.